Apply Dulux Aquanamel over a suitably primed door. For the following application, we recommend priming with Dulux One-Step Prep. Using a well-loaded brush, paint the inside panels first, working away from the corners. Spread paint evenly and lay off as you go. Next, paint the centre vertical sections in between the panels. Paint in long, even strokes, laying off evenly. Then paint the 3 horizontal sections, again laying off as you move through. Finish the door by painting the 2 outer vertical sections. Using this method allows you to move quickly and efficiently, maintaining a wet edge and reducing any lap marks. Once completely dry, lightly sand with a 320 to 400 grit sandpaper. Remove dust from surface and apply second coat in the same way.